stick it outside.
This is where you go up.
That's a joke, right?
See, and then you hit a straight up and down wall.
Oh, fuck yeah. I see it like it's got a big hump and then straight up.
Right.
Yeah, that is...
See that? Yeah, see, there's a good look for it.
Now I see why he wasn't joking about the toe strap.
Well, he went up.
Yeah, I can see why at the end. See, that's my jam right there.
Yeah. But take it. Yeah.
You going first or him?
What? If you want me to go first, I will. I want. Oh, at the top for you. That's fine.
Go first.
I'll go first then.
Yeah, you're gonna want to see that. Oh gosh, this is a short one.
Don't mind if it locks, fucking, because it locks all the time. It fucking sucks when it does, but...
That's alright, I don't really want to move.
Yeah.
Is it really, really bumpy?
No.
I'm just wondering if I should take the extensions off this, so it's a stable picture. I mean, it's your video.
No, I don't really care. Whatever.
Lockers?
Yep.
Is this the one that you were like...
I can't get up. Then
Okay. Anything else that should be moved?
No.
Okay. We'll figure it out as we go. You need all 120 horsepower?
Yeah, exactly. Nope. I know.
Try and stay out of the hole over here.
Where do you want me to come up on? This far? Do you want me to come up on this far side? Well.
Back passenger touch.
Good.
Passenger more. Okay, come on. Back driver. Go back and bump it just a little. Hold on, Daryl.
All right.
Oh, that's a good idea.
This is why. This is.
Do they park somebody up there to hook it
No.
to?
I don't know if there's anybody there or not right now.
I feel like there should be. That would have been a good job for the truck. Just park that bitch there.
Yeah.
Hook. I got hooks in the front. Just put your winch to it.
How the hell did we get Johnny up this shit? He went wide, right?
Just hooked up right at the right time, dude. That's all. All right, back up a little bit. Turn a little bit, passenger. Back up. Passenger. Passenger, back up.
I know when I can.
Turn the front locker off. You don't need it. Well, that's not true.
Thanks.
Good. Back driver. Hey,
Hit it.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hold that line, and if it starts fighting, you have to come back passenger, because you'll
Roll.
I mean, you're going straight up the fucking wall, but I want to see if we can get your back tire to bite a little bit.
You want me to get like bump it? Or no?
I think the whole Jeep needs to come this way. Yeah, well, that's fine. You can get your back tire right there on that ledge. But I'm kind of hoping that him sliding a little bit will work his back tire. That, you know what I mean? All right, come on.
What do you hold this and straight? You want me to bump it?
That line. I mean, don't fucking hammer it.
No. Well,
You can hook up. Straight on that side line. Back passenger. Wait, keep doing that. Back passenger. Come on.
come forward.
Back passenger. Passenger. And passenger. Back up. Easy, easy, easy. Keep going. You're on your skid plate.
Fuck.
Hard passenger, keep backing up.
So we need to take it off. No.
Don't hammer it. We're going to do Austin Powers a little bit here. Hard drive. Forward. Then you're going to back up and do it one more time. Come on.
You want me to hit it or no?
No. Stop. Oh, you're right. Back up like 6 inches. Stop. All right, I want you to bump it, but wait.
Is somebody in the Jeep?
All right, come on. Passenger as you come.
Jesus Christ.
That might be the scariest thing I've ever done.
Jason, you're up.
Hey. Fucking awesome, thank you.
Driving, brother.
Well done.
That was fucking. Oh.
Hey, Daryl, check this out.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Accomplished.
The moment.
Yeah.
The moment of when I finally got up it.
Nice. So I guess
Jesus.
that locker makes a difference.
Yeah, and you're on your skid plate. I mean, that's, well, don't fucking roll over on top of me here. Get out of my way.
Don't tip over on you.
Watch this guy here.
That looks good.
Whoa. Woo.
That's stretched.
Is that a right?
TJ, stretched. A little bit.
Daryl, you were barely hung up on your skid plate on the passenger side.
Is that what was holding me? Was that?
Yeah, this way. You cleared it.
Oh, okay. So pretty much we need to come out wide. More wide, a little bit wider. All right.
Every video I see, Daryl, that everyone comes up that side. Right.
You have to hug it as far left as you can.
And then go a little farther.
Yeah.
It doesn't look as bad, like just stare at it. No, no. Until you hit right here, then it's like you hit the wall. It's
Right there, Bob. Right there.
exactly,
Come
right
past
there.
it. Right there.
There, perfect.
There you go, we got it.
Yep. And then come passenger.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Back down. Back down.
Yeah. You want to bump it so I get a cool picture of that? Would have been a good picture.
There you go, Bob. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming.
Turn harder,
Now
let it turn
passenger,
harder.
yep, right there.
Yeah. You want me to hook you up?
I got what you need, man. You want the hook up?
That's not telling him that he almost flipped and died. Can you keep it on the shush? Okay?
Yeah, if we can see the bottom of it, he has issues.
Yeah. It's not.
It is hot as fuck out. Last night it was like cool. There's like no breeze almost.
I think it would make a great picture though if on the bottom of the front if it just said, oops,
Yeah, yeah. Oh, dude, like.
I fucked up.
Yeah. Like, there's drag racing competitions. All they do is flips.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they have sponsors underneath. That's what they should do.
You're where this is where we need to be, in this little tiny area. Hold on to me, Will.
Dude, let it go. That'd be bad, man. The asshole of the year award.
Here. Okay, here. Good? Okay.
Now you remember she dented Daryl's door.
Yeah, but that wasn't something he was holding.
It's okay, you got it fixed. All right, Bobby.
Is no one getting pictures of this?
Jason,
I would keep that line right there.
he wants you to grab the rope.
I got from the
I'd grab
whole
it last
bottom all the way
time.
up.
I'm soaked.
You're good. We'll make sure, Bob. You'll be fine.
Right there.
Good, bring it. There you go. Perfect. Keep coming.
Hold on to that strap.
I am. You're not going up. You're fine. Keep coming.
Whoop, whoop. You didn't even need the strap.
No, you didn't even come up. You're fine. Hey.
Nice work, son.
This isn't going well.
No.
No.
Kind of just crop my pants.
Start left and then come right. Go back.
You got to turn into it like an S.
Go back.
There you go.
There.
Now come at Will. Come at it like that.
Wouldn't
Come at it like that.
wouldn't
on
you
the side.
wouldn't you start more towards the tree and then come up this way?
Yeah.
I would start passenger and come up.
And then turn into it.
Well, this,
No, the opposite.
There you go. Go. Back drive.
come back.
There you go. That's exactly how you have to.
Oh
Ooh.
my
There you go.
God.
He took that S serious.
He did that S in
It's
cursive.
only locked in the rear.
Already good.
all right, hold on. We need to get.
I think he's right there. That's
Yeah,
a good
right.
line.
That's good. Now,
I think we need to be a hair over.
hey, turn a little driver.
I think you need to hook up to him
Good.
before he comes up that.
I mean, do we want to hook him up?
Come up slow, Will.
Oh.
Turn driver.
Yeah.
Come on.
Here's the cinch down there.
Come on.
It's not about the strength.
Just a little bit. I know.
You need a thumb throttle.
Ah, man. What?
Yeah.
We needed a D-ring.
Where's that D-ring? What the fuck, Mike?
Did you not grab my D-ring off the Jeep?
Oh, Mike's got one.
Are you poop? It looks cool, but it looks like you could go way more.
Yeah, you're about
It
to be
feels
on-
worse than it is.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
If you had a spare tire on the back, it would hit the bottom by the time you're done.
Oh, that's the other thing. I got a spare.
I have one too.
What gear are you running?
Fair play.
I wouldn't do it in the Ford Ranger. I'd do it in like a Bronco because it's more square. If you do something longer, it's gonna be big.
Honestly, I think if I got like a little Ranger or something, I'd probably take the bed off.
Yeah.
He's gonna have to go to the go babe and motor.
You ready?
You're good to go.
Hey,
Yeah,
hold
when
that line.
When you come
You
up,
need to stay driver a little bit.
easiest one here. Good. Straight really didn't do much for you.
Start out to the left, Jay.
Hey, Alan, what skid do you have on yours?
Undercover fab.
Okay, the big aluminum one? That's what I thought. I can't remember. But you got it coated with like the.
There you go.
It came that way. I bought it used,
Oh, okay.
and it's like a cutting board material on it.
Yeah, it's like non-slip or something. Pretty cool.
Perfect. Stay there.
Oh, I'm gonna ruin that one.
Good. Come on. Easy. Okay, come on.
Yep, that's right where you want to be.
Passenger, come on.
There you go.
Come on. You're okay, slow. Stop. Stop. Let me get you hooked up here.
Your soft top might come flying out.
It feels way worse too. Really? Oh, dude, it feels like that.
Yeah, when you're sitting there and you're like,
You're just gonna be so wide.
what? How you feeling?
That's exactly how it is. Oh.
You might, Jay, back up, turn driver and back up a little bit. You're not straight. Driver, back up. Stop.
That's it.
Hard passenger, come forward. You're going to have to do that twice. Good, back up. Hey, stop. Turn a little passenger.
There you go.
I think he's good.
Go. No, back driver.
Yep.
Go. No, come forward. Driver, go. Give it hell. Back up. Turn passenger. Back up. Passenger more. Stop. Back driver. Driver.
Hold on.
More driver. Go.
Dude, I'm on my skid plate.
You gotta hit it and go.
Stop. Passenger. Let's get your back tire against that wall a little bit more. Hard driver. Hard passenger. Hard driver. More. Stop.
Yeah.
Turn
you go hard,
driver.
driver. Don't go back anymore. You'll come off the ledge.
Driver. Don't go forward yet. Driver. Okay. Go. Stop.
Someone just pull me up. Someone just pull me up, dude. Wash it out.
Oh, it's fucking nerve-wracking.
Pull you up.
Yeah, I'm not liking it.
Well, I just know that whoever
Take my winch up or something.
we can pull you up with the coach about hooked up. Be as close as possible. Or Mike.
Mike, you got a hook on your fucking
Oh, come here. Yep.
Come on, Miss Daisy. Go forward. Stop. You're going to hit people.
No more.
Stop.
All right.
Get tension. Jay, you ready? Stop, Mike. It's not a snap trap. You're going to pull him up. You ready?
Yeah.
Get tension. Hold up, Jay. Wait. Hold on. Go, Mike. Go. All right, go. Stop, Mike. Stop, Mike. Come on, boys.